I used to spend hours every day manually cleaning data, fixing sheets, and doing the same tasks over and over. It felt endless. Until one day, I discovered one Excel function that changed everything. Just one. I didn't take a course. I didn't have a degree in data. All I did was Google a solution out of frustration. And that's when I found it. VLOOKUP. At first, it looked confusing. Rows, columns, references. But once I understood it, it felt like a cheat code. Instead of wasting hours copying and matching data, I could now automate everything in minutes. My daily 3-hour report, done in 10 minutes. My head, clear. My boss, impressed. But here's the truth. It's not just about VLOOKUP. It's about realizing this. The tools you already use can save you hours if you actually learn them. Excel, Notion, Google Sheets. They're not just for work. They're time machines for people who care enough to learn. So if you feel like you're stuck doing repetitive work, take 30 minutes, learn a function, because 30 minutes today can save you 2 hours every day for the rest of your career. And that's not a hack, that's leverage.